Hi, my name is Olivia Wright, and I'm going to be an orientation leader for this summer.
Hi, class of 2025. My name is Gracia, and I'm going to be one of your orientation leaders for this summer 2021.
Hey guys, my name is Fredrick and I'll be one of the orientation leaders for summer 2021. Let's go.
So for commuter students, it's usually hard to meet other students, create those relationships, or to stay involved on campus activities because we don't live here. We have to leave our home early in the morning, attend our classes, and once they're done, go back home. So my advice would be, instead of leaving the campus right after your classes are done, stay a little longer.
One of my favorite spots on campus is the student center because that's where you will see most commuters between classes. You can come here and eat food, play games, watch TV, and just hang out with your friends.
My favorite spots on campus to study are the library, and in the Science and Tech Center we also have little study areas on every floor that are really nice.
I will recommend you the student center because usually commuter students go to spend more time there, so you can go there and play games. They have video games, they have ping pong games, and many others. So you can go play games, introduce yourself, and create those strong relationships you're looking for.
So I was a commuter this past year during the pandemic, very crazy, but my main tips are to be on campus early. I like to be there like at least 30 minutes, I want to say, before my classes actually start, especially if it's like a lab or anything like maybe an exam, so you have some, like, you're just really sure that you're going to get a parking spot and everything like that.
One tip I learned about being a commuter is always have money in one card. At school starts, you're only going to have $15 dining dollars where you can spend anywhere on campus to get food. But if you run out, you can always come to the one card at the student center or go to the library.
Another important tips for commuters is time management is definitely a big one. I think for college students in general, time management is definitely really important. However, for commuters, I think it's more so because you are driving to campus. You're not just like waking up in a dorm room and being able to walk to class. You kind of have to know the time that it takes you to get to campus and kind of where your classes are.
Also, if you want to stay involved on everything that happens on campus, I will recommend you to follow our social media pages: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook at WSU_OSILD, which is the Office of Student Involvement.
Another really important resource is the commuter services programs. They're out for commuters and they just allow everyone to get to know each other a lot better. There will definitely be more information about this in the fall.
My favorite and best way to get involved on campus is by getting in touch with the community service office, where they help you with roommate listing or plumbing listing. They also work closely with the community advising board, the student organization on campus, providing trips and novelties so you can get more involved.
If you have any questions about being a commuter, we have the Office of Student Involvement there to answer any questions that you may have, and they're just a great resource. And then we also have the Worcester State website with frequently asked questions and things like that commuters may have.
So I can't wait to see you guys and share this great experience with you. I'm really excited and I'm really honored to be your orientation leader. So I can't wait to see you. Bye.
All right, I can't wait to meet you all this summer. And if you ever see me on campus in the fall, feel free to say hi, reach out. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.
Keep a lookout.